I went to swim this morning, and this is what happened to my phone. I guess it's 50% now, and take a look what will gonna happen. It's sending me signal. Okay, to do this, unplug immediately, and to fix that, it's very simple. If you have hot air or like this, just open it, and we're going to simply fix this one. What happened is there is moisture in this USB, and this iPhone 17 Pro Max is giving a signal to unplug, otherwise masisira siya. Okay, and to do that, where's my nozzle? Where are my nozzle? Okay, we're going to use nozzle, and aim directly here. We're going to dry it up, the moisture. Remember, this is a sea water. It's not recommended for this phone, although this is capable of immersing to the water. It should not be sea salt or water. Alright, I went to swim this morning. Alright, so since this USB Type-C is being moisturized too, we're going to replace this, because I already shut it off with this one, and we're going to check it now if it is being fixed. See, it's charging now. Anyhow, yours truly is a cell phone repair technician as well, but I'm not used to do it. I love being in the HVAC board, HVAC and refrigeration world. So that's how you're going to fix your iPhone accidentally got a moisture with this charging pin. It's working now. Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy!